Hey YouTube, it's JB again with another Nike vlog. We're here at Alpine, the Nike clearance factory store. It's the last day of the friends and family coupon that you can take advantage of if you haven't bought anything yet. I'm gonna go see what they have in stock today after the weekend. Alright guys, looks like they have this sign out here. What makes us different? New stocks, rare finds. Let's go see what they have. Alright guys, and they have the Laker hoodies on sale. And these Laker pants. $34.99 down from $110. Check the hoodie. Yes. It's $34.99 plus 20% off. It's under 30% off. Alright guys, we're at the bigger sizes. Air Max 720s, 818s. Retail price though. Discount if you have their friends and family. They're 720 in this colorway. Vapor Maxes, 2019s. And a ton of the Moon Racers. And they have Moon Racers, and they have these Air Force 270s in different colorways. The really popular one is the Olympic, and a lot of the ECG. Alright, and they have these Rachi grips with a shroud, $84.99. We have these different the Moon Racers, Air Edge 270 in different colorways. Still have this Miami Rachi, T-Shawn, all these other ones. They're still at the Jordan side. They have these Kyrie 4s, $79.99. We have these Hyperdunk, the black and white. And another Kyrie in this white-black color. And they have the Soldiers and a couple of Proto Max 720s and 312s. Yes. So guys, you have these Soldiers 12, $79.99. Of course, they have the Air Jordan 33s, $94.99 in the red colorway. Jordan 18s. You have all these different why nots. You see that? This is Nike Soon. Let me see. It's pretty cool. Charlie Dad. Okay. It's Nike Soon. Alright, you have these Jordan Proto Max 720s in different colorways, you guys. The Proto React 79, and they have tons of Soldiers for you guys. Here, the bigger sizes, size 12. They're all organized and got this. Alright guys, I'm just gonna do a quick video for you guys. They have these epic. It's pretty much this entire row. These are 11.5s. They do have the Vapor Max 2019 stuff. Let's see. All these different colorways, the pink, the green, and the Club Gold. They're all 109, and then if you have their friends and family, bring it down a little bit more. Alright, they have these Air Rock, not Air Rock, the Skylon 2. $59. You they have different M2K technique. Really nice colorway for 720 is this iridium, one of the more original, I think one of the original colorways that was released. Next to it, yeah, Airachi Drift. Of course, they have more Nike Epic Reacts. And next, they have these different Element 55s, $74.99 in this colorway. We have these Bordeaux 95s. Air One Air Max 720, 109. And if you're looking for the Dusty Peach Element 87s, $69.99. And of course, right below it, can't be missed, it's the Roshi ones, you guys. If you got that 30% off friends and family, this would be like 35 bucks. And of course, if you guys looking for the 312s, they have them here. And also the Proto Max 720s in the lime green, in the blue tint colorway. Just gonna go down the aisles for you guys. A lot of Team Jordans. There's a couple Air Jordan 33s here. Oh wow, they have the Air Jordan 12 retros. Wolf gray. Retail price though. More Air Jordans, you guys. And this is a speak. There's like a couple of LeBrons here. Metallic Jordan Mars 720s. Or I mean 270s. I mean. Alright, and there are these Team Jordans. Jordan Lip On. They look like Jordan 6s. They have a couple of LeBrons. More Air 33s. And of course, Jordan 8s. The Orbits. Yeah. Of course, they have more Proto Max 720s, you guys. These Proto Max 720s in the metallic silver. These are actually growing on me. Look at that. Those are nice shoes. I love the colorway. Like silver and then the red. And of course they have different ones. 312s. Okay. Go down the aisle for you guys. You have more different shoes. There are soon Vomeros. Yep. And of course I have these Air Max 270 Futuras in this colorway. The black insole, Air Max 270 React. You have the Tailwinds, you guys. And a lot of Element 55s, 270s. Alright guys, in the size 8s. And if you guys looking for the 720 Air Max, they have them here. They have plenty of them. They're going for $99. And I think I found, you guys, Jordan 11 Cool Grays, the golf version. There we go. Alright guys, it's going for retail price, even with 30% off, it's $66. Still $150. We'll leave it there for now. And as for Bigfooters, there's the Air Max 720s, size 13s, $99 for this colorway. The Club Gold. So I check this one, the Obsidian Air Max 27, size 13, guys. Alright guys, just for the Bigfooters, I'm just gonna see. You have these size 18s, Air Jordan 7 PEs, the Ray Allen. $79 guys. And right below that, you got the Gym Red, size 18 guys. Yep. 49. Man, it's like $35. Yep. First they have Hyper Dunks, other Jordan, different Jordans, All-Star Air 33s. Let me see what these ones. Air Jordan 5 Premium. Wow. Just gonna take a picture for you guys, or a video of the bigger sizes. They have Gym Reds, All-Star Air Jordan 33s, the LeBron MPLS, Jordan 7 Retros, PG3s. These are all great sizes. Alright guys, so we're in the women's side. You do have some Air Max 1, $64.99. Shoe, they have the Air Max 720s, $104. They have a ton of these Air Max 97s, and there's a gold colorway. Another one here, Air Max 95s though. You have these 95 Lux, 99, and additional Air Max 95s in this colorway, you guys. Yeah, the kid sizes, you guys. Oh. A little view for you guys here. And of course guys, they still have the picks of the weeks. These are the same ones that we saw a couple days ago here. The Hot Lava, LeBrons. Hey guys, what's up? This is JB here. Thank you again for joining me here for another Nike vlog at the Viejas Alpine Center, the Nike clearance store here. It was the last day of the friends and family, so I tried to look and see and take advantage of their friends and family. I did see like the Laker hoodie, like you saw earlier, the sweatpants, you know, can't be beat for like 20 bucks. It was basically 20% off plus additional 30% off for the friends and family. It can't be beat. Alright guys, thank you again for subscribing. As of this filming, I think we have like 90. Let's try to push for 100 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you guys like this type of video, please like, comment, and share down below. Until the next video, you guys.